To plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. The fear of the unknown is prevalent these days. Not enough money to buy nutritious food and empty store shelves are causing Americans to worry. Prior to the COVID-19 pandemic, Americans were already facing food insecurity. Sadly, these numbers are still rising.
According to the USDA, food insecurity is defined as a lack of consistent access to enough food for an active, healthy life. Food insecurity is often brought on by the lack of available financial resources for food at the household level.
People who are food insecure eat low-quality food and often have no variety or desirability to their diets. Thanks to the Minnesota 4-H Science of Agriculture Challenge, we found a way to combat food insecurity in our community and beyond. Food insecurity caused especially by the COVID-19 pandemic is growing. We believe that one way to combat this issue is gardening.
No vegetables were harmed in the making of this video.
Zoom meetings, unemployment, coronavirus. Gardening is a scientifically proven stress reliever. You can create an outdoor or container garden in 4 simple steps. Step 1, find your container or garden spot. Step 2, fill your container with dirt. Step 3, plant seeds or already grown plants that are suitable for your area and growing season. Make sure to read the instructions carefully so that your new plants will get the correct amount of water, sunshine, and spacing that they need to thrive.
There are several ways that you can save on garden costs. One way is to regrow vegetables from scraps. Some common vegetables that can be regrown are potatoes, onions, garlic, celery, carrots and other root crops, lettuce and other leafy greens, cabbage, and most herbs.
Step 4, you need to water, and more water. By the end of a hard-working season, you'll be able to reap the harvest. Please click the link in the description below to take a quick 7-minute survey for our 4-H project. And thanks